Okay, we put the day bar info. Okay, this day bar info, you can get this from mql5.com. When you type the day bar info, it's gonna come out. I will put the link under this video for you though. Nothing to worry about on your part. Okay, so we want to put a support and resistance tool because we need it. We need the support resistance tool. Where is it? Support resistance tool. What this one will do for us, okay, is to help us to know when this day bar has retraced and is hitting on the support resistance. That is when we want to take action for the day. So let's see the settings we are going to use. Settings number 10. The support resistance tool, input, settings number 10 for interval. Then we apply it. Let's see it properly. If it comes up, I want to be able to see it. Okay, that's it. You see this small blue tiny one? This is it. This is it. So what this does for you is that, when this day bar started, it started with a bullish candlestick. And we have our trend line is this day bar. This is a daily candlestick to retrace down and touch this support. So this is where we buy. When this candlestick that is coming out touch the support, this is where we buy. Okay, and when we buy, we forget it until the next day and time before we take profit and leave. Okay, good. This is the support resistance that you need to do that, to help you to know what you're waiting for on a daily basis. And you see the trend going up. The day bar will come as a bullish. Then you want it to retrace to touch your support and resistance line. This resistance line is the blue one sitting on the pivot. Okay, when this candlestick that is retracing hit it, it will give you a sound that support resistance hit. And that is where you want to take the action for the day. Okay, and when you take your action to buy, you can take your profit until the next day, because after the retracement, the price will go create longest leg day from this day till the next day, where it will retrace the next day. So the whole of this new longest leg takes a whole of one day. Okay, so in your entry, when the support resistance is hit, this is the leg that you want to hit. These are the moves. You enter this trade, you leave it alone till the next day. So as we proceed, we now want something that will tell us about where is the trend going, so that we don't need to be guessing or making any kind of analysis, very difficult, tedious analysis. There's one thing we're going to go put up, okay? Even though we're looking at this channel, we see the trend is up, right? But we don't want confusion, okay? We will put that thing. And that one is called, let's go here and see it. It is called follow line. You will see it now. I think it's this one, follow line, MA in color. I think it's this one. But whichever it is, I will put the link down under the video for you guys. You can get it in mql5.com when you type the name follow line. Okay, let's apply it. And everything is good about it. we are okay with it. Only we need to do some kind of settings, and this MA period is 21, but we want to do MA period of let's say it's 50 period MA, and then we allow it. Okay, and let it come up. Let it come. Good. The 50 period MA of follow line came up. Since the follow line told you that the signal is buy, definitely you know that what you need to do is to wait for this day bar to retrace to the bottom. Okay, to retrace to the bottom, then you place your buy, okay, even right here, and you forget it till the next day, because this is the longest leg you're gonna hit when you do this. All right, so that is that. And then combined together. Okay, it's well combined. There's nothing we need anymore. We got our follow line, all this trend line from the template, and the channel from the template. We got the day bar info from the mql5.com, and then we got our support resistance period of 10, which I will put the link with this video to show you where you can get it. Okay, all these things, they are so important. So now let us now talk about how does this work. How does all this work? Okay, you can see that it is a very simple chart. Okay, because if you're gonna make money in forex, you don't need to make things so deep. You have a chart that looks like this, and you wake up in the morning and you see the signal is a buy. Okay, the signal is a buy. Definitely what comes into your mind is that analysis has been done for you. Okay, here is your chart that's doing analysis for you, so you don't need to do any analysis anymore. You know that. All you just need to put in your mind is that the Asian time is the time that the price will retrace. So definitely the Asian time is the time the market opens. It is the time